Hey guys, welcome back to Cape Fear Customs. We have a pretty unique product to share with you today. We have a customer who pulled the trigger on and waited quite a while to receive these Hutchinson Rock Monster beadlocks. If you know anything about them, they are few and far between to see and primarily used in military defense applications. Our customer anticipates using his 2020 Gladiator on the trail quite a bit, so he wanted the best of the best. So without further ado, let me introduce you to Harley, who's going to give you a little more information about how to put these together.
Hey, I'm Harley Barber. I've been doing custom work now for about 5 years. I do a lot of the tires and rims here at Cape Fear Customs. Right now, I'm balancing one of these Hutchinson wheels that I've already put together. But right after I get done with this, we're gonna hop right into what's in the box. So inside the box are a couple of things. First off, we're gonna start with the hardware kit. Now inside the hardware kit comes with the caps that go over the nuts, which I will show y'all a little bit later. Next we have the center cap, can't forget that. And the rest are the 18mm nuts that will be holding the two pieces of this wheel together. Next we have the O-ring, which holds the two pieces of the rim together to give that watertight seal. Next in the box we have the face of the rim, or the ring. Now this here is going to sit on the outside. This is what everybody is going to see, mainly going down the road. Next in the box, we have the belt. Now the belt goes inside of the tire and allows you to run at very low pressure, going over rocks or going over rough terrain, or even if you're wanting to take it onto the beach. Now Hutchinson allows for you to use your TPMS sensors. So if your vehicle is equipped with TPMS sensors, the Hutchinson wheels are going to be able to accommodate for that. Last but not least is the second piece to the wheel, and the very most important part of this wheel. This is going to be what goes inside of your tire, between the seal. So this right here has your studs that hang off, which is going to allow that other piece to go onto it, and what's going to hold down the wheel.
Man, looks great, Harley. Looks like the only thing left to do is put on these black caps and we'll be ready to rock. Thanks again, guys, for coming by and checking us out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you again soon.